How to send a Word document to WhatsApp from PC or laptop. So if you want to send a Word document to WhatsApp from PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your File Explorer and you will find your Word document right here. Once you find your Word document, now if you want to send this to you WhatsApp, then what you need to do is you need to just right click on it and you will have an option of share. Tap on share. After that, just scroll down a bit and then you will find WhatsApp. If you have your WhatsApp application, then you'll be able to like directly share it to WhatsApp application. But in my case, I don't have the application, so I'll just simply go with my browser and go with WhatsApp. I'll open WhatsApp on my browser, go with login, which will be at the top. Once you log into your WhatsApp, and what you need to do is just simply go with your File Explorer. Here you need to just press Ctrl+C or just right click on it and then copy. Click on copy. Go back to your browser and here just simply go with any chat that you're comfortable with. And here you just need simply right click on it and then you can go with paste or press Ctrl+V. And now you can type any message that you're comfortable with and just simply go with send and it will be sent. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.